Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to connect your Hostinger domain with Blogger. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our Hostinger domain and today we are going to connect this domain with Blogger. So to do this, first of all you need to log into your Blogger account as well as your Hostinger account. After that go to Blogger, click on settings from here. After that we are going to scroll down from here and here we will see an option custom domain. Just click on it. Now we need to add our Hostinger domain here. So we will go back to our Hostinger account, copy our domain from here, paste it here, and we will add www before it. And then click on save from here. And now we need to do these settings on our Hostinger domain. So we will go back to Hostinger, click on manage next to our domain name. Now from the left menu, click on DNS/name servers. Now scroll down from here and here you will see an option manage DNS records. Now we need to copy the records from Blogger and paste them here. So we'll go back to Blogger. At first we will copy the name from here. Go back to Hostinger, select CNAME from here. We are going to paste it here. Again we will go back to Blogger, copy the destination from here and paste it here. After that we are going to click on add record from here. So both the CNAME records are now added. Now we will go back to Blogger again, click on support page link, scroll down and here we will see the IP addresses of Google and we need to copy them from here and paste it in Hostinger. So we will copy the first address from here, go back to Hostinger and for the type we will select A and we will leave the name as it is and then we will paste the IP address here and then click on add record. Click on confirm. Again we will go back to Google, copy the second address and paste it here. We will do this for 4 of these addresses. After that we will go back to Blogger and then click on save from here. Once we are done, we are going to turn it on HTTPS redirect and also redirect domain from here. And in this way our Hostinger domain will be connected to our Blogger account and it will take around an hour to start working properly. So this is how you can connect your Hostinger domain with Blogger. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.